Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding from custard powder. Measure 500 ml milk and 40 g custard powder, and whisk the powder into a little cold milk to form a smooth paste before heating. Use medium heat and stir constantly to prevent lumps. Taste and adjust sugar, then cool slightly before serving for best texture and flavor. Serve warm or chilled, and add fruit, caramel, or whipped cream as toppings for variety. Gather simple ingredients and a few kitchen tools to keep the process smooth. You need 500 ml milk, 40 g custard powder, and 30 to 50 g sugar depending on taste. Have a saucepan, whisk, measuring jug, and a heat-proof bowl ready. Prepping ingredients beforehand cuts stress and prevents lumps. I'll share quick fixes for common issues so you can make pudding with confidence every time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you stir. The Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders perfectly. It has a leak-proof lid and easy sip design so you can focus on cooking, not spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat milk gently to just below boiling, watching for tiny bubbles around the edges. Slowly pour the custard paste into hot milk while whisking vigorously to disperse evenly and avoid lumps. Maintain medium heat and cook until thickened, about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly for a glossy texture. Remove from heat, let cool briefly, then chill or serve immediately depending on the desired temperature. You can fold in vanilla, cocoa, or fruit puree at the end for flavor variations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.